Hi students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Eclub Technosis. In this session you learn about the computer systems. So everyone computer is an electronic device and computer has three types: digital, analog and hybrid. So it is a three types of computer nowadays, and the digital computers is the too popular, and every place the digital computers will be used. Computer works with basically two components, hardware and software. Hardware is the tangible physical parts, and software that will save the programs and instruction in your computer. And hardware is basically four different categories: CPU, memory, input devices, output devices. CPU, the full form of the CPU, Central Processing Unit, interpret instruction and carries out the operation. So it's the work of the CPU. It controls the entire peripherals components. Memory holds the data, input device provide inputs, and output device provide the output, provide the results. CPU is categorized in the two way: the primary memory and the secondary memory. The primary memory holds programs and data during the execution. The primary memory has the two categories, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory, supports read and write operation. ROM stands for read only memory, supports read only operation. Secondary memory stores programs, files or long term data. It has the various categories and the various examples like that of the secondary memory: hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. All it's the category of the secondary memory. So the CPU has the two parts now, primary and secondary. Input devices provide the data and instruction in the computer in the readable form. The following examples of the input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner. Keyboard is the most common input devices of the every computer system. Output devices produce the processed data in human readable form. So output device provide the results. The following examples of the output devices: monitor, printer, speakers, plotter, and etc. So in this way you learn about the complete computer systems, categories and the components and the types of the computers. Thank you to all of you. Like, subscribe and view latest and updated video.